Nobody ever believes me, so here we go. YouTube. Out for the world. A Western Electric 1D2 Payphone. Western Electric is the main manufacturer for parts, phones, etc. for the Bell system. And I believe they were broken up in about the 90s. This phone is schizophrenic. It will tell you it is from Bell South, that is Florida, and that area, a couple states around there. It says it's from Pacific Bell, that is California, Nevada area. And back here it tells you it's from Southwestern Bell Telephone, which is Texas, 5 states around Texas area. So you got East Coast, West Coast, and Middle America parts here. I've got assortment of covers for the coin box here. Brand new Southwestern Bell one, and so on. I prefer the Olympic one. It is more rare. The enclosure here is a 4-tech. Not just a 4-tech, this is a 4-tech Deluxe. The regular ones come with plastic bottom. This is obviously not plastic. Plastic sides. This is porcelain. It's beautiful. I rewired this light in here from the crap that was in there with a regular home socket. I kept as much of the original parts as I could, even on the inside. It's original 4-tech parts, just took off that other junk. It's now running a LED bulb in there. 50 cents per year. Just let it run all the time. It's beautiful. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. That is a working telephone. That is a working telephone, that's right. I've got it set. If you dial 411 on here, it'll ask you for $10 for 1 minute. I don't know if the coin hopper can actually take $10, but that's the highest amount you can set it for. Now these are the common T keys for Payphone, and as you can tell here, it runs into the plastic. That's no good. Yeah, that's your common $7 T key. This is a Western Electric, made by the phone company, offset T key, and as you can tell, that is the thing of beauty. Works perfect. Any kind of enclosure, that's what you need to get it open. Right there.